Good morning. We just woke up and last night was amazing. We had the fire pit going all night last night, and the sound of the fire made us fall asleep so fast. And we woke up to this beautiful view with the coffee. Gotta have the coffee in the morning. The birds are very chirpy this morning. It's beautiful here. What we are gonna do today is we're gonna be driving an hour from here, and we're gonna be going to a canyon. But luckily, this canyon, you just pretty much just drive right up to it, and you just park your car and you just walk probably like 100 feet, and you're right there at the canyon.